Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to be talking about metric measurements. So we're talking about centimeters and meters. So we're going to go over a couple problems just to review those two topics. So for number one, it says how much longer is the marker than the paper clip? Circle the correct answer. So it says that the marker is 11 centimeters and the paper clip is 3 centimeters. So when we're looking at these, we want to say the first one is 11 and the smaller one is 3. So we want to find the difference if we're finding how much longer. And if we're finding difference, that means that we are subtracting. So we're going to write off to the side here 11 minus 3. And that's a basic fact. So we can count back from 11 and say 10, 9, 8. So when we look at our choices, we see that 8 centimeters long is the one that we're going to circle. Okay, so the marker is 8 centimeters longer than the paper clip that is 3 centimeters. All right. So if we move on to the second question, it says, what is the best estimate for the length of a real baseball bat? So if we think of a baseball bat, they want to know how many meters would it be. And you see that this meter, the choice says meter and there's no S on it. That means singular, which is just 1. And we think about the length of a meter is about the width of a doorway, and a baseball bat is about the length of a doorway. So we would say 1 meter. All right. Now we want to look at number 2. It says, what is the best estimate for the length of a real couch? So when you think of a couch, you think that it's probably going to have 3 or 4 cushions, and each cushion could be estimated to be 1 meter long. So our best estimate would be maybe 3 meters. If it's a bigger couch, it might be 4, but just depends. But 3 is a good estimate. All right. Let's move on to the next one. It says Tina has a paperclip chain that is 25 centimeters long. She takes off 8 centimeters of the chain. How long is the chain now? So they give us a number line, and we're going to use this number line to solve. So it starts at 25 centimeters long, and she takes off 8 centimeters. So we want to take away or subtract 8. So I'm going to jump back 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That means I'm landing on 17. So how long is the chain now? It would be 17 centimeters. Okay. And one more we're going to look at. It says, for this one, it says, the pencil is about 12 centimeters long. Circle the best estimate for the length of the yarn. So we're saying that the pencil is about 12 centimeters. So I'm going to write that in. And we can use the abbreviation cm for centimeters. So if the pencil is 12 and the yarn goes to about here, when I look at my pencil, I see that that line is almost halfway. And half of 12 is 6, because 6 plus 6 is 12. So the one of the choices that is close to half would be 5 centimeters, because it's a little bit less than halfway down the pencil. Okay, so those are some examples of some problems you may see when you're working with centimeters and meters. Hope this helps, and please check out some of my other videos to help you with some of your math topics as well.